there everybody, welcome back to the channel. The last video I did got a bunch of, I shouldn't say a bunch, had a few questions about the dethatcher that I have on the back of my BX here, and I wanted to show you a little bit about that and how I put it together. That is just a plain old tow behind dethatcher that I modified to make a 3-point dethatcher system. And the way that I did that is I used one of these cheap Titan 3-point hitches, and I just drilled a couple holes in the back of it, and I took all of the towing parts off of the tow behind dethatcher, and I took the wheels off of it, and I just made this little bracket. Don't mind the rustiness, I didn't even have time to paint it. I did this in kind of a hurry. This was kind of a last minute thought modification, so I'll go back and dress that up sometime. But that's all I did. I just made this little bracket, bent it here and there, and drilled a few holes in it, and I attached that dethatcher on the back of this tractor to this 3-point system, and it works great. I like that it's so close to the tractor. You know, instead of towing it behind me, I actually have it nice and close, and I can raise and lower it super easy, and that's the way it works. So that's all there is to it, nothing special. I think the dethatcher itself was $100 or so, maybe 150 when I bought it, and I think the 3-point was maybe $80 I got both of those on Amazon. Buy everything on Amazon. So we're gonna go do some mowing because the snow's gone. That wasn't fun. Did you see that last video? It snowed in the middle of May. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. All right, stick around. We're just gonna dethatch a little bit, and that's gonna be it, because there's nothing special for this video, so stay tuned. And that's all there is to it. So simple dethatcher. You want to save a little money and don't want to get a dedicated 3-point, just buy yourself a 3-point hitch, you know, whether it's Titan or whatever you can find. There's a ton of different ones online. And then get yourself one of those tow behind, a cheap tow behind dethatcher that you would use for a regular garden tractor. Modify it, attach two of them together, and there you go. You got a 3-point dethatcher. Easy, piece of cake. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Keep on tractoring, and God bless.